This is going to be on your test also. So Tanya is so let's draw the triangle here. 1.3 feet tall. She stands 7 meters. She's 1.3 meters from the front of the tree and casts a shadow. This is 1.8. So meters. How tall is the tree? The tree is blank meters tall. Okay, so you can do a proportion, the first tree to the end, so this first line like that. So that's 8.8 right there. And that's all we know about the big shape. And Tanya, on the other hand, Tanya, you can do a little Tanya here. 1.3 and 1.8. You can use corresponding sides. This one corresponds with that. How tall is the tree? We'll put T for the tree. Tree with Tanya, 1.3. So T over 1.3 equals to 8.8 over 1.8. And you solve that for the height of the tree. Okay? Guys can finish that. This is the same thing. Stephanie casts a shadow. Here's Stephanie. Here's the shadow. She's 1.2. That's the shadow. She's 1.8 meters. That's her. A wind turbine casts a shadow here's a wind turbine. That's 10 meters. At the same time, Stephanie measure her shadow. Oh, that's easier. That's a wind turbine. And she casts it. I explained it wrong during fourth period. Casts a shadow that's 10 meters. That's a wind turbine, 10 meters. At the same time that Stephanie measured her shadow. Okay, there's a wind turbine. Draw a diagram of this situation and calculate how tall the wind turbine is. Okay, well, wind turbine is to Stephanie. That's what happens when you don't read everything. I was in a rush. Okay, so 1.8 over wind turbine equals to 1.2 and 10 meters here. Cross multiply and then solve for the height of the wind turbine. Okay, this here is a parallelogram. I think I saw most of you and it looked pretty good. 3 and 8, 9 and 8, 7, 2. Let's label it. That's the pre-image. There we go. And then we get draw the diagram A, draw diagonal A to C. Okay. And the parallel then determine its length. Okay, there's two ways to make this triangle. Okay. Either you come down, not go up, come down and sideways like that and make your triangle like that, 90 degrees there. Or you can go the other way like this and then come down like that and create your triangle that way. Still, your 90 degrees is right here, right? And you count 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 8, 2, 4, 6. A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. Your answer will be at the end, the diagonal. Diagonal is going to be 10. Okay? Draw the diagonal BD, B to D. Okay, so there's two ways to get B to D. Either you go start from up here and start there, go up like that, and there's the right angle. But it's there to there, okay? You see that? Or you can come down, go that way, and then that way. It's 90 degrees here. And each way it's still 4 and 6. You do a squared plus b squared equals to the diagonal squared. Now when you do this, you need to put n. AC is 10 units. You need to write that as an answer, okay? Don't forget the word units. And here, make sure you go BD is however many units you get. 6 squared plus 4 squared, 16 plus 36 is 50. Now on your test, I will want it as a simplified radical here. That means 25 times 2, that means 5 radical 2 units. And then sometimes I ask for the 90 degrees clock counterclockwise, so be right here. 0, 90, switch the numbers, 1, that's 1, 2, so 2, 1. A prime, did it say do A prime? Nope, they don't, so forget labeling it. And this one is 7, 2, 2, 2, 7. Okay. And then that one is 9, 8, so 8, 9. And then the other one is 3, 8, so 8, 3. Reflect the pre-image over y negative 1. Hey, y negative 1 is right here. Okay? Reflect the pre-image. This is the pre-image over it. Most of you know how to do that. I think I did a couple of these in class. I think most of you know how to do this. Let's see, which one should I do? I think you're good, right? That would make it easier for you. If you have a question, ask me tomorrow, because this will be on your test too. Sure, you come see me at lunch if you're still confused with this stuff.